Hello everyone, I am Shikha Narang, PGT Chemistry and a proud Parthian. Today we are going to learn a very important and scoring topic from class 10 science, which is characteristics of chemical reactions. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify a chemical reaction just by observing its changes. So stay focused and enjoy learning. Let's discover the fascinating world of chemical reactions and learn to identify the key characteristics that signal chemical changes in matter. In this video, we will discuss what is a chemical change, what are the observable signs of a chemical change, which includes evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, change in color, change in temperature and state. There will be an MCQ checkpoint and then it will be a time to recapitulate, and in the end there will be a self-assessment time. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances react to form new substances with different properties. The substances that take part in a reaction are called reactants, and the new substances formed are called products. Chemical reactions are happening around us all the time, like rusting of iron, burning of fuel, or digestion of food. The very first observable sign of chemical reaction is the evolution of gas. Some reactions release gases as products, which can be observed as bubbles or fumes. This is one of the most visible signs of a chemical reaction taking place. For example, when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved. The formation of bubbles is a clear sign that a chemical reaction change has taken place. Sometimes, when two solutions are mixed, an insoluble solid called a precipitate is formed. For example, when lead nitrate solution reacts with potassium iodide solution, a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. In this slide, you can see mixing of barium chloride solution with sulfuric acid forms white barium sulfate precipitate, which settles at the bottom of the container. A change in color is another important characteristic of a chemical reaction. For example, when iron reacts with copper sulfate solution, the blue color of copper sulfate changes to green. This color change confirms that a chemical reaction has occurred. Some reactions involve a change in temperature. Heat may be released or absorbed. Exothermic reactions releases heat. Endothermic reactions absorb heat. Also, in some reactions, the state of matter may change, such as solid to liquid or liquid to gas. Students, it's time for a MCQ checkpoint. Let's quickly test your understanding. Question number 1. When lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide, a yellow solid forms. This is a characteristic of A. Gas evolution, B. Change in temperature, C. Formation of precipitate, and D. Change in color of a solution. And the correct answer is formation of precipitate. The reaction between magnesium ribbon and air is A. Endothermic, B. Exothermic, C. Reversible, D. Substitution. And the correct answer is it's an exothermic reaction which releases heat. Question number 3. Lime water turns milky when carbon dioxide gas is passed through it. This is a characteristic of A. Change in state, B. Change in temperature, C. Formation of precipitate, D. Change in color. The correct answer is formation of precipitate. Let's revise what we have learned today with the help of this beautiful concept map. A chemical reaction forms new substances. Characteristics include evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, change in color, change in temperature, and state. Students, now it's your turn. It's time for self-assessment. There are 3 MCQs. First, one of the following processes does not involve a chemical reaction. That is A. Melting of candle wax when heated. B. Burning of candle wax when heated. C. Digestion of food in your stomach. D. Ripening of banana. Question number 2. What happens when lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide? A. They will not react. B. A large amount of hydrogen will be released. C. Yellow precipitate of lead iodide and potassium nitrate will be produced. D. Evolution of gas will occur. Question number 3. Which of the following is an endothermic process? A. Dilution of sulfuric acid. B. Sublimation of dry ice. C. Condensation of water vapors. D. Respiration in human beings. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Remember, chemistry is not about memorizing, it's about observing changes around you. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time and learning with me today. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep shining. See you in the next class. Until then, happy learning.